you going to my car? Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, here.
I brought it back. I added a camper shell to it.
I think it's a fair trade. Yeah, I would do this.
Maybe.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today, we've got something new in the shop. Check out this beautiful old Ram Charger. Sadly, it's not mine. It belongs to Austin
mine.
Carr. How you doing, buddy?
Doing all right. She drove down here, no issues.
Wonderful. That is great to see.
Yeah.
Now, what all are we going to be doing to this today?
So we're going to be putting in the black carpet. It was tan before. This was an all tan interior.
Okay.
But we're doing what the modern Dodges do, and we're doing a two-tone.
Gotcha.
So we're doing a black and tan, so black seats, black carpet, tan dash, and headliner and stuff like that.
Now, you know that there is a song called Black and Tans, right?
There is also, I'm fairly certain in overseas, I think it's in Ireland, black and tan is a derogatory.
Exactly.
That is not what we're going with here. We are...
I still got to play that for you. You'll love it.
No, but yes, so that's what we're doing. We're doing the interior carpet and seats. We got kill mat in there. You'll have to come check out my channel to see what all I did.
That's right. And what work we're going to do today is going to be on Austin's channel, link down below.
Yeah, come check it out.
And this video, I'm just going to have, introduce this and get Austin introduced. And then we're going to work some on Mr. Jim's pickup. We're going to work some more on the Corvette airbox.
I will say that pickup, the frame and everything is looking amazing under there.
Come here and look at this.
All right, let's
I
go take
show
a
you
look.
this.
Watch your head on the hat.
Yeah, definitely. I got the... tank sensor, fuel tank sensor.
I might need one of those because mine doesn't work. Driving here with 0 on the fuel gauge the whole way.
Oh, man.
Put $100 in though, because gas prices. But,
Wow.
but yeah, the brake lines look amazing in person, even online in the pictures and in the videos. Looks great.
And check out this new driveline.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
I guarantee you that guy can make a driveline. I am tickled to death with that.
Yeah.
And over here, you saw the hole in the airbox, right?
Yes, if you haven't been watching the videos, you definitely need to go take a look at them, but Santa's been doing a pretty good job on that. Looks good.
It's 2-layer. That's all you need on this.
Sounds exactly like the original.
And then I'm going to sand that down, smooth it up, throw a can of satin black on it.
It's going to look amazing. Stock, original.
That's it. That's what we're going for. All right, Austin. Well, let's get to work on this thing, and heck, I might fire it up and show y'all what we did when we're done.
Yeah.
But his video comes out first.
Maybe. We'll see. I'm always kind of behind. But if not, I mean, it's a sneak peek. If anything, it's a sneak peek.
It's well worth waiting for.
I guarantee it.
All right, let's get to work. and gentlemen, I am going to do a plug for this gentleman. I want you to look at this driveline. I called him last Tuesday and gave him the parameters, the measurements and everything. Told him what it was going to go in. And this is what he gave me. Drivetrain Industries out of Norman, Oklahoma. Guys, check this fellow out. If you need any driveline repair or a complete build like this one, look at that. That is going to look so good in this vehicle. I want to get that in here just to see what it looks like. Let's do it. Alrighty, first thing we're going to do on these is I am going to get these wiped down with some lacquer thinner. Get all the grease, wax, nasty stuff like that off. Get in all the holes. Now this paint we're going to be using is a direct to metal paint and primer together. Pretty much the same kind of stuff I used on Mr. J's frame, except in a spray can. There's quite a few saying they wanted to keep these things chrome, but they are scratched. There's paint on them. These wouldn't have been good for a restoration. I promise if I had gotten these and paid what Randy did for them and I was putting them on a pristine car, I would have been sending them back saying, no. Alright, those are wiped. I'm just going to hit these lightly. I don't like using lacquer thinner on plastic unless I can get away from it. And these have got a little ridge down in there that I'm going to have to run that Scotch-Brite into to get them cleaned up. Now let's get some Scotch-Brite. All right. That's getting down in there pretty good. Truth be known, if I had just wiped these things down good and sprayed them, that would probably have been plenty to stick on this plastic. But this just gives it a little more incentive to stick with it. Get it? Stick with it? Never mind. Trying to be funny. Looks pretty good. Somebody, when they were sanding the car that these were on, really got rambunctious and get back here so I can see. You can just see this right here. They just scoured the heck out of it. And it had this bingo in it. This is flattened out and spread out. I got that bent back as best I could. That looks a lot better. All right, those right there are done and looking good. These right here, got one spot that messed up on me at fisheye, right through here. And I'm probably going to go ahead and just let them dry, put them on the car so they're on there. And then when Randy ain't looking, I'm going to pull it back off, sand it down, and just hit it again. I don't know why it did that, but when those dry down, they'll have the look of these. And that is done. Okie doke. Well, here it is. It is humid as all get out today. That's going to be satin black when it dries, believe it or not. That looks gloss as all get out. But my repairs, right there is where the hole was completely through. And right here is where it was cracked all to pieces. So that's going to look pretty good. This side here I didn't have to repair. I got the gasket all scraped off. Still haven't decided what I'm going to do about evaporator yet. I'm searching for a new one. If I can't find a new one, I'm going to have to find a used one somewhere. So we're on hold again for that. If anybody has a 1/4 inch, or not 1/4 inch, 3/8 or a 1/4 inch line straightener that I could borrow, please let me know. I've tried to make my own. It was an epic fail. I had videoed it for you because, you know, I was expecting it to work just beautiful. So we are needing some line straighteners so I can get the fuel line in this thing. But I want you to look at this drive line. Oh, that just goes in there. And look at that. I mean, that is the perfect length. Ryan, Drivetrain Industries, excuse me. Drivetrain Industries, plug again. Fella, I'm coming to you for everyone I do. But that's going to be it for today's video. Our next video, Austin G should be back in the house to help me on the Caballero. Not yet decided what we're going to be working on the Caballero yet, but more than likely we're going to be trying to get that tailgate done. So, thank you all. Getting so close to 20,000, less than 1,000 away. If you haven't hit subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Heck, if you didn't like it, hit the dislike. I don't care. It all helps me. Guys, thank you all so much. We'll see you next time. Santa's Workshop.